Welcome students. Today we will start with practice set 2.3. This is a construction part. Here you have to construct parallel line to the line given to you. Okay? Means suppose if your line L is given, if suppose this is a line is L is given, then you have to draw a parallel line to L, means like this. You have to draw this parallel line. In this way you have to construct a parallel line to the given line. Okay, now see here, this is your first question. Draw a line L, take a point A outside the line. Through point A draw a line parallel to line L. Okay, so let's start the construction. Now in this, here you have to follow the first method, the step of construction of by this method. Okay, so let's start. Here first we will draw a line L. This is your line L, and here you have to take a point A outside the line. Then here you take point A. Okay, now from A you have to draw a parallel line. Then for this you use the set square. Okay, as it is given in this method. Then keep your set square like this only. First set square you keep like this. Okay, and the second set square you will keep like this. Okay, you have to see the this set square is on the this line. Okay, you have to see it should be properly. Okay, now see, from A you have to draw a parallel line. Now extend this line. Then this is your line parallel to line L, and now if you want, then give it as name L. Okay, I hope the construction is clear to you. One thing you have to keep in your mind, while keeping the set square should be properly kept. Okay, means if you will keep set square like this, then it will not, the line will not make parallel. Okay, then the set square will be kept properly. Now see here the next one. Yeah, the next sum is same, that is your homework as the first one. And now we will move to the question number 3. Now in this you have to draw a parallel line, but here the distance is given at the distance of 4 centimeter. In the first question the distance was not given, means it is not given what will be the distance between two parallel lines, but in this question distance is given, means here you have to draw a parallel line at a distance of 4 centimeter. So let's start. For this you will follow this method. Okay, the method 2. Okay, construction 2. Okay, now first draw a line M. that, take 2 points on this line. Here it is point A and point B. Okay, now from A and B you have to draw perpendicular. Now we will draw a perpendicular. You can use protractor or set square. Okay, perpendicular means 90 degree. Now here I am using the set square. Now keep your set square like this. And keep it properly. Okay. And from B also draw a perpendicular. Okay. Now mark the perpendicular sign. And now the distance between two parallel lines is given as 4 centimeter. For this, take 4 centimeter distance. Means here, from here you mark from the 4 centimeter. And here also mark at 4 centimeter. Now name this at P and Q. Now join the point P and Q. Now name this line. Here it is given as draw line N. Okay, now name this line N. Now this is a line N parallel to M at a distance of 4 centimeter. Then here you write the measure, that is 4 centimeter. I hope both the construction is clear to you. Thank you.